Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your address on ClearScore. To change your address on ClearScore, first of all open up your web browser and log into clearscore.com. After you are signed into the main homepage of ClearScore, mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and click on it. In the menu, click on My Account. After opening up My Accounts tab, go ahead and click on the Your Detail option. Under Your Details, scroll down and get to the Current Address option. To change your current address, click on the Update button, and once you tap on Update, go ahead and enter your new address information on the next page. Right after you do that, you will then be able to change your address on ClearScore in just a couple of steps. So that's how easy it is. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.